What's up, YouTube? This is part 2 of a 2-part series on a 2008 Buick Enclave rear upper control arms. Well, I ran into an issue on this forward control arm here where I had to actually cut out because they got seized up, as you can see. I had a number on that, but we got the new parts in now. We got the new bolts in. So we're going to go ahead and slap this in. This first piece that we're going to put in is the rear upper. It's going to go right back here. It's going to attach right here. If I can get my hand over it. Right there. As you can see, it's kind of beveled inside, just like this is beveled right here, just like that. So that's going to line up in there, back there, and this part's going to line right back up there. I'm going to go ahead and work through this, and then we're going to do the front one. Same thing. I install the back first, right back here, and then it'll attach right down here. Get a good angle for you. Right here. Through this bolt. Same thing. It's inset right there. And as you can see, it'll fit just like that. Alright, let's get started. Alrighty, the first thing that we are going to do is install this little piece that holds the brake line right there. Remember, we had to take it off the old one there, so we're going to install it in the new one. So we just want to make sure it's in the right place, and I believe it goes on the outside like so. So we're just going to squeeze that in like that, and voila, good as new. And worst case scenario, if it goes the other way, we just pinch it and go the other way. Alrighty, so first thing we're going to do is install this back one here. I gotta kind of get around all this stuff. Get this out of the way. There we go. Set it on up in there like that. We're going to go ahead and bolt. It's important that this 10mm adjustment screw, and that is going to be for your toe in and toe out, and the other one's for camber, that needs to be on the inside. So on the back one it's going to sit like this, and on the front one it's going to sit like that. That way the alignment guy can get in there and adjust it with ease. So I know you're probably not going to be able to see this very good, so I'm probably going to have to take this off my head so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to go ahead and do that so you can see what I'm doing. Alrighty. So far, I put that in. And I'm going to go ahead and feed this the western way through, just like that. That should go right on the other side, like so. Then take the washer, adjustment washer, and the nut. And we're going to go ahead and put it on. As of right now, everything's going to be finger tight. Finger tight for now, because what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to put this piece in right here. And that part goes right in here. And I'm going to go ahead and put you on my head mount, that way you can see what I'm doing here. All right, so we are back. And this next part, we're gonna kind of push forward, work this out, as you can see I'm doing. Gotta get your lines out of the way. And this might be a good time. Once you get this started on here, that's when you'll actually cut your lines out of the way. This brake caliper. There we go. It's gonna fit right in there. There we go. As you can see, got it in there, and that's gonna hold that up. I can cut these lines out now, and I'm gonna do that. So let me go get my pliers. All right, now we're gonna cut this out of the way. Go. All right, so that piece is in. I'm gonna snug it up. And then what goes on that side gonna be your washer and then another nut. And go right on this back side here. Same thing, just finger tight for right now. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab this front control arm here. Same thing, we're gonna go ahead and prep these bolts. Same thing, you're gonna want it just like this. That way the alignment guy can adjust that toe in and toe out. All right.